Today we celebrate the feast of St. Gregory, Grassi, and companions. Christian missionaries have often gotten caught in the crossfire of wars against their own countries, when the governments of Britain, Germany, Russia, and France forced substantial territorial concessions from the Chinese in 1898. Anti-foreign sentiment grew very strong among many Chinese people. Gregory Grassi was born in Italy in 1823, ordained in 1856, and sent to China 5 years later. Gregory was later ordained Bishop of North Shaanxi, with 14 other European missionaries and 14 Chinese religious. He was martyred during the short but bloody Boxer Uprising of 1900. 26 of these martyrs were arrested on the order of Yu Shane, the governor of the Shaanxi province. They were hacked to death on July 9, 1900. 5 of them were friars minor. 7 were Franciscan missionaries of Mary, the first martyrs of their congregation. 7 were Chinese seminarians and secular Franciscans. 4 martyrs were Chinese laymen and secular Franciscans. The other 3 Chinese laymen killed in Shaanxi simply worked for the Franciscans and were rounded up with all the others. 3 Italian Franciscans were martyred that same week in the province of Hunan. All these martyrs were beatified in 1946 and were among the 120 martyrs canonized in 2000. Martyrdom is the occupational hazard of missionaries. Throughout China during the Boxer Uprising, 5 bishops, 50 priests, 2 brothers, 15 sisters, and 40,000 Chinese Christians were killed. The 146,575 Catholics served by the Franciscans in China in 1906 had grown to over 303,000 by 1924 and were served by 282 Franciscans and 174 local priests. Great sacrifices often bring great results.